a box sliding down a ramp. So we have a few measurements. The height is 0.6 meters and the distance the box travels is 1 meter, and the time it took for it to slide all the way to the bottom is 0.73 seconds, and the mass of the box is 0.85 kilograms. Go. We're going to be looking at this problem through the kinematics lens because there is motion as an explicit function of time. So we know that the average velocity is equal to the change in position over the change in time, and the average velocity is also equal to the initial velocity plus final velocity over 2. So we can set these two equal to each other, and then we can use this equation to solve for final velocity. And we know that the initial velocity is 0 because the block starts from rest. So we find that the final velocity is about 2.7 meters per second. Now we're going to take a look through the energy lens because there is a transformation of energy. So at the top, we know that there is potential energy because it's at a height of 0.6 meters, and then there's no kinetic energy because the velocity is 0, and then as it slides down the ramp, the potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy, and there's also some energy that's lost due to friction. And we know that the total energy is conserved, so we can set these equal to each other and solve for the energy lost due to friction. Calculations, we find that the energy lost due to friction is about 2 joules.